Hi friends, welcome back to Trina's Humble Homestead. Today I am going to continue making some gifts or bath products, whatever you want. If you want them for yourself, that's awesome too. I might keep one of these for myself. But I'm making different bath and body products, cleaning products, things that all have clean, wholesome ingredients in them. And here is one that is bath salts that are great for the bath. I'm going to make a couple different scents. There are several different ones that you can make. You can use whatever essential oils. This is another great one I got from Little Hill Homestead. She's got some awesome ideas that I'm incorporating into my channel. So thanks again, Ali, for this one. And I have such a array of things I'm trying to decide. I mean, I think for like my son and daughter-in-law, I'm probably just gonna make a massive basket of, or maybe I'll do two baskets, one cleaning, one, I don't know. Like for instance, okay, here's my here's my vanilla, you guys, that we made together. I'm going to refill this up. And then I got like these. So I'm going to fill these up and add them to gift baskets. So this, I will try to find where I made the vanilla super easy. I just use the spiced rum. You can use any kind of 80 proof alcohol you got if you want to just get plain vodka, or if you happen to have alcohol in your house. And I've infused this for months. But if you want to quick infuse it, I've done quick infused oils and quick infused things. You can just put it on warm in your crock pot or slow cooker. And that works great too. You can just do that like for 6 to 8 hours, and then that infuses it much quicker, and then leave it out for like a week after that, and then it will be fabulous. So that is one. I'll try to link that below. I'll try to link some other Bath and Body ones that we've done below as well, so we can try to do some gifts with that. But for now, I am going to do some bath salts. So the main ingredient here is some Epsom salt. So this, I just got this big bag at Walmart. You can get them Walmart, Dollar Tree, wherever you find. I just got the unscented Epsom salt. I use this because it's good. What this is so good is sometimes why this helps with muscles and stuff is because it's loaded with magnesium. So this is great to soak in, just to your skin absorbs all that extra magnesium. So I'm going to do like just the basic recipe in a couple different bowls. So bring it down here. So I'm just going to do a cup and a half. Let's see, 1, 2. I'm going to double these recipes because I have 4 jars. So I'm going to do 2 cups in each. Woo, if I don't make a mess. So 1 cup here, because I want to have one for my bathroom too. So 2 cups in this one, and then I'm going to do, which means I'm going to have to get more tea. Silly thinking. 1. Okay, come on. I've already spilled, so I can't do so. There we go. 2 cups of Epsom salt. And look I still have some in here. Crazy. So this is a really inexpensive gift to make. Then we're going to do, it would be 1/4 of a cup of pink Himalayan salt, but I'm going to do 1/2 cup in each since I am doubling it. Look at that. Okay. Now, next, you can take whatever kind of tea you have. I actually took an assortment, and it's about 1/4 of a cup. So this was about 3 tea bags, and I'm going to have to double that. So I think I'm going to have to, let's see how it looks though if I really do need more tea in here. And this is just to kind of, different teas. I actually have a detox tea in here. I have a black tea, and I have, what else do I have in here? I can't even remember. You know what? I think this is actually going to work out fine with this. I think this is just, but it just adds a little something, something. If you want to add some herbs or if you have like dried rose petals, things like that. Oh, you know what? And some lemon zest, or I think I have some limes. Anyway, but that would be like some orange or lemon zest would be great in there, because we're still going to get the benefits. And now there are several different kinds that you can make. I'm going to make the one she called Happy, because I love citrus smells. And if you're feeling down and sometimes you just need a little pick-me-up, which, you know, and I just honestly, I really just love citrus smells. So I'm going to do that. So I'm going to add 4 drops of sage. Let me make sure. I hope I did grab my sage. Is that the one I couldn't find? I need to go find my sage. Hang on. Alright, so we are going to do 4 drops of sage. 1. Oop, that was definitely 4. It came out quick. And then I have a dropper for my other ones. Then we're going to do, it says 3 drops. Oh, I got to do more because I doubled it. 4. There, that was definitely. And then we're going to do 3, which we're going to make this go to 6 of the orange. So, oh, this does have a stopper. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, that definitely came out fast too. These aren't really slowly dropping ones. Then we're going to do 3 drops of ylang ylang. So it'll be 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 of the ylang ylang. 2 drops of lemongrass, which will be 4. Try to do. Yeah, that's plenty. And then for the last one, and this one is going to be bergamot. So 2 drops, which will be 4 of bergamot. We're going to do 4 bergamot. And then let's mix. Let's mix this up because we don't want it to clump from the spices. A couple of them got a little bit too much. I want to make sure it smells happy. Yeah, that smells very happy. I think I might do a little bit more orange in there because I really smell the lemon. Oh yeah, that's better. Kind of blends a little bit better. The lemongrass is really overpowering. Oh yeah, that's much, much better. That's happy. Okay, now I got these little things. I think I found these at the thrift store, actually. So I am just going to, I should just get a funnel and funnel them in. But what a cute little thing. If I have a bath and body basket, I've got the body spray. I've got the little after shower oil. Oh yeah, this, Trina, you're making a huge mess. I was going to make some more soap, but it has to cure a while, so I didn't know if that would be good enough. I'll do 1 more scoop over the bowl this time. Here we go. Look at how cute that is. Oh my goodness. I love that. You can get your little extra magnesium in there. And then I'm just going to do these ones for myself. Now, the next one I'm going to do is, you can also do, you know what's another one? If you want to have a relaxing one, you can do vanilla and lavender. Which you just do like, you can do like some vanilla loose tea or whatever kind of, you know, tea you want. You can do, so if you don't have vanilla loose tea, you can just do vanilla, like vanilla extract. And you can do 10 drops of lavender. So for this one though, I'm going to do a cold relief one because this is one I like to have. Sometimes if I want to steam and I'm feeling congested, I'll just put some eucalyptus in my shower and steam it out. But this one, I was excited because I thought, you know, I like to take my baths in the winter. So this is a cold relief one. And so the base is the same. We've got the Himalayan salt, the Epsom salt, and then for the tea, I'm going to use some peppermint tea here. So let's open up, and I didn't have this measured out yet because I had, so I'm just going to put the peppermint tea in here. Cut and dump here. And if I feel like I need more, I'll just go grab more tea, but we'll see. So we don't need the paper in there. So we did 4 bags. Let's see how that looks. I'll mix this around. And for here, I am going to add, you can also put some pine needles in here if you want, just to kind of, but you know, I just didn't feel like I wanted pine needles in my bath salts. So for this one, I am going to put 4 drops each, which will be 8. I'm going to use the peppermint. So I'm going to do 8. Come on. It's not coming out. So I'm going to use my dropper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Eucalyptus and frankincense. So 4 drops to each of those, which will be 8. Frankincense. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then the eucalyptus, which is like my all-time decongestant. I'll tell you what, when I don't have congested, my whole house smells like eucalyptus because I'll have it in the steamer. 4, 5, 6, 7, and honestly a little bit extra doesn't hurt, because that is the best one. Okay, let's mix this up here. This with all the Epsom salts, the magnesium. Ooh, yeah. This one I want to keep over here till I label them so I know which one is which. Although I would have to do smell them, right? And this is it. This is how easy it is to make some nice, ooh, yeah, that smells good. Woo, yeah, clean out those sinuses. How easy it is to make some bath salts. So you have one that's happy and one that's great for some cold relief. Awesome. So this is it, everybody. Super easy, super inexpensive, a great gift idea. You could just make an assortment of these and put them together, put in a basket, put a bow on it, and there you have it. Oh my goodness, I feel my sinuses clearing right out. Perfect, easy, breezy gift idea. So I'm just going to fill this up here with this cold relief one. And I think they're kind of pretty in here. Just the little different speckle colors of them. So I'll put both of these kinds in with a basket that I make for my kids for a little gift. I love homemade gifts because you know what? They're made with love. They show you care. Oh yeah, that has that smelly, good cold relief. All right, everybody, happy and cold relief bath salts. Great gift idea. Great to have for yourself if you just need to do some self-care and treat yourself. Thanks everyone for watching. Be blessed. Have a great day. And remember, you are loved.